Okay, we've got her back together with a new battery inside of it, and let's do some systems tests. Open it up and turn it on. Power on. Fan comes on in the back. Turn the light on. Let's check the battery. It says 12.7 volts. It's a 12 volt battery, so that's good. Turn it on. Let's see if it can power this light over there from the restaurant. Welcome. All right. So that works. And we're discharging at 7.6 watts, which is nothing. All right, so that's good. Test the compressor. Compressor works. And we know it charges because we were charging this deader than a doornail battery. And this is to boost the vehicle. You take the booster cables off and then boost the vehicle. Battery charge, still on the green. So I'll send it away with the car charger, the adapter to the car charger, right there.